Chevre, could you believe we're out here? 3779 Ocean Avenue at the soft opening of Funland third location. Get back here with the machines coming on. These are all the VR and big machines coming over here for the grand opening over here. Get back here, you won't believe this. The famous Funland. They opened up a brand new massive location, guys. Look at this, you won't believe it. You're entering a world for kids, Chevre. Give a kick. We have Manoon. Look at this over here. Oh. Look at what is going on over here. So they started off at 8th Avenue in Borough Park, and now they're extending to Flatbush. This place is massive. Borough Park hat tausende Kinder. Flatbush has thousands of kids. In Medav de Platz für uns Kinder. Yiddish Kinderlich, give a kick. Cozy coops. This place is thousands of square footage of just fun. Kids gym over here. Look at this ball pit. Tell me, you ever seen such a big ball pit, Chevre? Did you ever see such a big ball pit? Massive. Slides, jungle gyms, obstacle courses. Look at this. I can nicht in the obstacle course, but amazing obstacle courses. I have to go under over here. What am I gonna do? Into this. Look at what's going on over here, Chevre. The whole wall over here, obstacle courses. Very cool, jungle gyms. Look at the steps, the lighting. There's a whole thing you have to climb up over here. Hit the buttons, the stuff move in and out. There's a timer that counts over there, the time. I got to do over here. You start the game and the stuff start moving. Get kick the Sachen around those do. It's like Luigi. Stuff move over here. Let's move on. Look over here, guys. You have a whole trampoline park. What am I gonna do? I got to the trampoline park. Over here, still in the middle of putting in these soft foams, sponges to fill up the place over here. Have a look at this. Endless fun. And if you think this is it, you're in for a surprise. This place is 2 floors. Let me show you. Let me show you the second floor. You won't believe it. Archove, you gotta love the Archove here. Look at this wall of teddy bears. Oh, is kite. Oh, squishy. So here we're gonna go. First of all, have us party rooms do. They're still building it. It's not ready yet, but they're building party rooms. Let's go down to the basement. Look at this basement. Tell me if you ever saw such a basement. Tell me if you ever saw so many arcades in your life. Get back here, Chevre, what did you do? Unbelievable, endless amount of arcades. Endless amount of arcades, guys. Look at this. Yeah, bumping cars. Get back here, bumping cars. Shine, geschmack. Look at all these arcades over here. Endless. By the Zaten do. You don't have to wait online. Whenever you come to the arcades, genikken noch. Du haben größere party rooms in the back. More arcades, basketball hoops, horseback riding, bowling, shooting, we can do schießen, all these machines, kick. Endless. They have something here kind of very unique. I want to show you guys. Very unique. All these VR machines, which I don't think they have anywhere. These huge, massive VRs. But what gefällt mich sehr stark, they have a real archery. Bow and arrow. You have to have special gear. But this thing flies back. It's on a track. And you can have a real archery game here. It's crazy what you can have here. I'm gonna noch eine Sache do. One more machine over here. It's called escape room, a VR escape room. So you put on goggles, you make the team do, and you play. So, got Menach rooms. So this place is crazy. Funland became next level. It started out on 8th Avenue, then they opened up a second location, 86th Street, and this is their third location. Wow, get my kick. Geherig archery do. Now this is archery, this is shooting. Massive. Oh, here's another archery. Shooting range, bumping cars. These guys are solid. So Chevra, let's go back up. Chevra, I'm back here on the first floor. Another very geschmack thing over here is you can watch your kids. Du benklich du. Man kann du sitzen und watchen the Kinder von der Tatas and Mamas. You don't have to go into the bull pit. You can sit outside. So Chevra, the address is 3843 Nostrand Avenue. 3843 Nostrand Avenue. Remember, come here and mention Perlowitz and you're gonna get a free arcade card. Okay, I have a grand opening special. Kimaran, mention Perlowitz and get a free arcade card for your family. Chevere, it's worth it. It's about 15 minutes from Borough Park. Not even. 10 minutes from Flatbush. 3 minutes from Seagate. About 20 minutes from Staten Island. Not even 15 minutes from Staten Island. Between all locations. You have to get your kids into action mode here. Kids need it. The kids have to get out. They need to put the energy somewhere to have a good week in Chayder, a good week in school. Funland is the place. They're here for you. They cater for you. Mention Perlowitz and get a free arcade card. Chevere, Hotzma, lechtigen Tug.